Programming your Ford Explorer's key fob yourself is possible for 1998 to 2011 models using RF technology. These models use RF technology for remote entry. Recent software allows faster pairing, bypassing manual ignition. Original Ford key fobs are scarce, but compatible aftermarket options exist. Be aware, Ford emphasizes professional reprogramming for security reasons, especially with evolving cybersecurity threats. Only pair fobs in secure environments due to signal interception risks using tools like SDR. Enter programming mode by cycling the ignition key. On 1998-2001 models, insert and remove the key 10 to 15 times. On 2002 to 2011 models, cycle it 8 times. Then press buttons on the fob to sync. Note that reprogramming erases all prior codes, so program multiple fobs at once. Trends shift toward digital keys via apps, reducing reliance on physical fobs. Experts predict a decline in DIY fob programming as manufacturers push for dealer-only services for security reasons. Aftermarket converters like Viper Smart Start can bridge to app control on older models. Always verify the exact procedure in your owner's manual.